Hello all, welcome to the True 3D Scanning box opening video of this PL2 3D scanner by Creaform. Today we're going to open this box and show you the contents and see what's inside, see what comes with the scanner. So the PL3D scanner is something new technology recently coming out. You can basically scan anything and turn it into a 3D model. It's pretty crazy. Once we see it, we'll show you in possibly later videos, and you can see it online on YouTube and Instagram and other videos that people have done already with this amazing scanner and what you can do with it. So here's the rugged case that it comes in. Pretty cool. It's an extra option when you buy the scanner for sure. This is the PL 3D scanner. So let's move this box out of the way. Big heavy box that it comes in. Make sure it doesn't get damaged when it's shipped. So here we go. This is a nice rugged case that comes in. That looks pretty good, right? Comes in this foam padding, pretty cool. Comes with the positioning targets. Looks like 500, so a total of 1,000 positioning targets to help you during the scan. We'll show how that works later. Here's the cable you use attached to the scanner, and then also to your laptop, desktop, whatever you're going to use to capture the data. Looks like the 3D scanning software itself. So you'll need this for sure. The adapter. This goes to the scanner, I believe. We'll find out later. Let's see what these are. Looks like universal adapters. That's pretty cool. Let's say you're traveling outside the US or wherever you are. They give you extra universal adapters. And finally, the scanner itself. It's pretty lightweight. Pretty cool, right? Not bad. So you use this to do all your scanning projects. So very cool, neat. So that's pretty much it. I mean, this thing scans up to 0.1 millimeter accuracy. That's really low for a lot of different projects. This can be used for so many things, scanning, automotive projects, aerospace, just you want to fix a figurine or something that I saw online. That was pretty cool. You can do so many different things with this. So stick with our video series, and we'll show you more. We'll show you different things to scan, how to use it. So I've never used this scanner before. So we'll hook it up, and we'll show you different things that we can scan and turn into 3D models. Thanks for watching our video. The usual. Subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, and we'll see you later. Thank you.